Hi, it's Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at a scroll lock problem. A scroll lock problem manifests itself when you use the arrow keys on your keyboard. What you'll find is instead of the arrow keys moving you between cells, they scroll you left to right or up and down within your worksheet. Now this has happened because you've inadvertently turned scroll lock on, and if you're lucky you'll see a scroll lock button somewhere on your keyboard, and you can easily just press it again and it will turn scroll lock off. However, if you cannot see a scroll lock key on your keyboard, this is the trick. You can open up the on-screen keyboard. So I'm going to go down to my taskbar and I'm going to type on-screen keyboard. It'll appear in the menu here. I click on it and you can see that scroll lock is turned on. If I click on that, it removes the blue background from that button. I close down the keyboard, and now when I use the arrow keys on my keyboard, instead of scrolling me within my worksheet, it moves me from cell to cell. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, please subscribe and I'll see you next video.